We try to make our life comfortable. Even when you sleep, maybe you turn and then try to be comfortable, even for a few minutes. Comfort is important, right? So I just want to tell you this. Be comfortable with yourself. That is one of the quintessence of the teaching of the Buddha nature. Don't think that there's something lacking in you. Yes, probably, certain things are too tall, certain things are too big, certain things are too, quick or slow. Try to go beyond that and be comfortable with yourself. I just want to tell you this because there's so many things out there that is always trying to tell you, maybe you should put your scarf this way. Yeah, sometimes you can listen, but just doesn't matter, however you want. Just be comfortable with yourself.